Hi, I'm Chelly Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a skirt that goes just below the knee, and which will fit a lot of your 8 or 9-inch dolls, like the Mattel Stacie doll that you see here. For a list of lots of dolls that fit this pattern, be sure to go to my website, chellywood.com. And of course, before we begin, you'll need to go to chellywood.com to download this free PDF sewing pattern. You'll be able to use the longer skirt pattern. On the pattern, it's shown as View A. Use the pattern to cut out a rectangle of fabric, and along one of the long edges, fold the fabric once and then a second time to create a little tiny hem. Now you'll see me doing that here, and you can see it's very small. My pattern is marked for hem guidelines. Whip stitch along the edge of the fold in order to hem this garment. Now, if you need help with a whip stitch, look in the description area on YouTube. You can also just sew it on a sewing machine. Sometimes that's easier. On the opposite long edge, we're going to create a casing. Fold the fabric once with a small fold, just like we did with the hem, but your second fold should be a little deeper. I recommend about 1 centimeter, maybe a little bit more than 1 centimeter. When I'm doing this, I measure it up against the doll's body to see if it's about how long I want it. Whip stitch along the edge of your casing. Now again, it's fine to just use a sewing machine for this too. When your casing is complete, you're going to add elastic. You'll need to measure and cut elastic to fit your doll's waist, and I recommend just a little extra too. Attach a safety pin to one end of the elastic and send the elastic through the casing, using straight pins to hold the elastic in place while you work on both sides of your casing. You'll see me doing that here. So I take out my safety pin and then I insert a little straight pin. I give it a stretch. I fold it in half, which will be coming next. Now it should look like this. And then you're going to fold your skirt in half like you see here. Stitch from the elastic at the top all along the raw edge of the fabric to the hem at the very bottom. Turn your skirt right side out. That's what I'm doing right here. It doesn't take very long, and it's such a cute little skirt. Imagine it in different fabrics. How cute is that? Now you're ready to try it on your doll. For more free printable sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, not just the 8-inch, I've got lots of free patterns. Remember to visit my website, chellywood.com. Hi, I'm Chelly Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. You guys have inspired a lot of the doll clothes that I have designed, the free patterns that are available at chellywood.com. But my list of requests is becoming huge. So it's time for me to offer a course where I teach you the 3 easy methods that I use to design doll clothes patterns. If you're curious about my class, I recommend that you go to creativespark.ctpub.com, where you can sign up for their newsletter. That's the platform I'll be using for my paid courses. If you enjoy my free tutorials, wait till you see what I'm creating for Creative Spark. I look forward to creating amazing patterns with you.